Another random visit to Chainsaw Wall. Swing around, take a look at this yew tree that I planted a couple of years ago. Oh, there's a bit of brown on it, but seems to be doing all right. I put Saccharinum in as well, but they didn't survive. Right, what we got is now early October. I haven't been here for a little while. J-O-K is Jokes or Joker, I think. Can't really read it. I think it's Jokes. Spew and a character. Sho, but it's been pot shotted. Someone left a tin and they've messed it up. Looz, L-O-O-Z or Z, Looz by the look of it. Another one that got pot shotted because someone left a tin on the floor. Sage. It's the usual, isn't it? Pemmet. Pem. I'm not sure if that's an old writing that's come back. It might be. I wonder if they've done anything with that wall at the end. Possibly not. No, it's still the same. That wall is still broken up. I can smell fresh paint, so one of these is fresh. But to be honest, there's not really that much here. Oh my god, this camera. I need to sort this out really badly. That's actually Mesie. M-E-S-I, Mesie. But it won't be long before this wall starts sweating up in the winter time. Not too much here, to be honest, but I thought I'd do a video. Spew, Looz, Joker, Sage. It might be in my mind that it's very zoomed in. It might be normal, but I've pretty much lost my mind recently through life, you know. But yeah, there's a few up here, not amazing. There is some new stuff. But this is what happens when people leave paint on the floor. You get toys coming up and they start defacing stuff and doing dicks everywhere. It's just part of toy culture, isn't it? Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna stop this and make a move for the next video. Catch you later.